Hey guys, we got a 2023 HRV. We went ahead and added the shock sensor to the factory alarm because these cars from factory, they only work if somebody opens the door, but nobody's going to do that. They're going to break the window and jump in, or they're going to leave your car in 4 bricks. So we added the shock sensor to stop that from happening. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the windows to show you. That's me after adding the shock sensor. If I would have never added the shock sensor, I would sit here and destroy this whole car with a baseball bat and nothing would happen. That's why it's crucial that whoever owns these Honda Accords, Civic, the whole line of Honda, which they get broken into a lot, adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm is crucial. And in fact, that way you don't have to keep it nice and clean. If it's keyless to go, you don't have to have another remote control like an aftermarket alarm. This is an add-on to the factory alarm. And it keeps everything factory, like if you reach in and open the door, it stays factory. Okay. And when you get out, you can just go like that and it'll rearm it. Everything stays factory, so it defeats the purpose if you add another fob around. That's the reason why you got this keyless to go and the whole 9 yards. So yeah, I just armed it again by touching the door handle. That's factory, and we did not install that. And give it a few more seconds and then I'll bang on the window again. And that will set off the factory alarm as well. Again, this is a shock sensor added to the factory alarm. If anybody's need the shock sensor, just give us a call. We come out to you. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. We're based out of Miami. If you're out of state, give us a call. We do have the kits available for you. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the window again. And that turns off the factory alarm as well. I'm going to go ahead and remote start the vehicle. Car started by remote control, and just showing you that the remote start has the shock sensor kit add-on has nothing to do with preventing the remote start from not working anymore. At least our kits doesn't do that. I don't know about somebody else's kits, but yeah, this is the way it works. Again, our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.